Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new iPad mini keyboard case. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. It's got your user manual right here. The charger, Type-C to USB. The charger's got a Type-C on there. All right, and then the actual case itself with the keyboard. So like I said, it is for the iPad mini. So let's go ahead and actually put mine in there. And just like that, it snaps right in. Seals just like that. And it'll open up like that. So, but let's actually try out the keyboard feature to see how it works. All right, so let's actually go ahead and open the case up. But right here is a cool feature that does have a stand for it. So that way, whenever you are using the keyboard feature, you are just able to just stand it up like that. A little more back if you like. So we'll go ahead and actually pair it to the iPad. So we'll turn it on by pressing here. As you can see, it's got the Bluetooth on. Go ahead and go to Bluetooth. All right, and there's the keyboard right there. So go ahead and hit that one. Hit pair. All right, and we're good to go. So we can go ahead and open Notes. And let's go ahead and actually test it out. So overall, the keyboard feels good. The other cool thing is this does detach as well. So if you don't want to use the keyboard, but you still want to use your iPad, you can do so. And it'll still keep it upright or keep it like that. Or even more so like that if you're watching a movie or something like that. So it's a very cool keyboard. It does feel nice and snug in the case, so I'm not worried if I were to drop it or anything. Good overall case. You still are able to connect your Apple Pencil to here, right up here. So it does have a slot for that if you guys do have an Apple Pencil. So I turn on a couple of lights just so you can see it does have different backlight colors for the keyboard. So all you want to do is hit these two keys right here. So you got red there, blue, green, purple. Very cool. I might leave it on that one right there. But as you can see, just another very cool feature on this keyboard for the iPad mini. And one of the last cool features is once you close it, it'll actually put the iPad into sleep mode, so you don't have to worry about it staying on and losing power. Once you unfold the keyboard like that, everything turns on right away. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new case for your iPad mini, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave that link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.